we're gonna be without Noah again because he has more finals. If you haven't seen this beautiful shindig here, you better be subscribing. We'll be opening up this bad boy and that thing.
These bad boys and them boys.
Mm-hmm.
Moving on to the Nativity set for Precious Moments. Thank you, Precious Moments, for the free product. And also from that one.
Today we got a lamb. Where's the book?
Okay, what number is this?
Soft, quiet sheep.
Okay.
Both your boys are mocking you, Mommy.
Day 11. Soft, quiet sheep that were lying down were soon awakened by the sound.
Of what?
I don't know, it doesn't say.
Bring it over. Don't. What? Okay, today we got Snow Bunny,
Where's the paper for
Snow
this?
Child, Snow Creature,
You can't just point in the general direction of something.
Snow Dog Part 2.
Oh look, it's Blanca. Come to play a bunny of snow to brighten our day.
Oh, now that's just sweet.
Okay, now it's turkey time.
Turkey time.
What
Ooh, that is not a very clean
rip.
rip on the good old
Hey.
tape. Okay, today we got Sriracha beef strips. Sriracha beef. There's no picture of a cow. TBH, kind of disappoint.
Give me the smallest sliver of that.
Is this the smallest sliver?
Yeah, I'll just take a small bite of it.
Then give it to Mom. Wow.
That's right.
What, Mama?
You know, the taste is pretty good,
Do you want more?
but it's spicy.
Look at it.
Do you want?
Look at
It's
it.
gonna fall if I toss it.
Look at it. It's eating white.
Oh, it's pretty good.
It's
I like that
eating
one.
white.
Very good.
Oh, it's pretty good, pretty
It's
good.
eating white.
Mom said very good.
It's stuck in my teeth. Drink some.
It's eating
So much
white.
good at the first bite.
It's eating white.
It's not as good later.
Yeah.
It's eating white. It's
The initial
eating
taste, pretty
white.
good.
But then it gets weird. Then it gets a little.
Then it gets wacky.
So, the verdict on this one is that it's all right. It's the driest one in here I've had so far though.
Pretty dry.
Pretty dry. The alligator and the deer had all these moistures in them. All the moistures. That
Gator's
one
the
had-
best. That's just factual.
It was pretty good. But that one,
Like midichlorians.
Yes.
midichlorians, the Jedi gene.
The Mandalorian, I haven't seen that yet.
Oh, is it Mandalorian?
No,
No, that's
Yeah.
that's
The
Star
guy.
Wars.
Yes,
that's the show. The midichlorians are the Jedi gene that everyone hates because they make no sense.
But it's
Yes.
a DeLorean.
You're
Wait,
right.
what? This was seriously a Star Wars conversation? I thought we were talking about the meat.
I don't know how we got there here.
Because your whatever
It was
the
dry.
word was that you used sounded like to me.
I just said it was dry. The moistins.
Moisture.
The moistins in the beef were not very high level.
Okay, and now it's time for me to open up my jewelry advent calendar. Number 11. I've opened these correctly. I like it all. Okay. Ow. This stabbed me. This hurt me. This one is a cross.
Jesus.
I'm about to save it well. It's makeup.
Right, it's
It's right
It's
here.
right there.
Makeup.
There are two 24s on this thing.
Oh, one of them isn't even on a panel. This one's just 24 spectacular cosmetic truths.
I get it.
All right, this time I have glam glitter, but this time it's in the shade Pretty Pink. Okay, now it's cheese time.
Cheese number 11. We're down here on cheese number 11.
I'm sad. My voice is worse than it was yesterday. But you know, kind of all right. I'm getting there. Cheese.
Got him. Today's is hot and spicy cheese. Remember when Micah would clap all the time?
Yeah.
Yeah, could enjoy that. Well, you can, Mama.
You know, it's cheese. That's my reaction to all of these. It's cheese.
This one's pretty good.
I have the smallest bite possible.
I like this cheese. Yesterday's cheese, not gonna lie, kinda made me sad.
All right, now it's time to open up the PR gifts.
Ow. Right.
You're busy.
Number 1 has been delivered by the elf boy.
All right, Micah, go sit in your seat so you can open up your present because it's got a special thing. I see something. I see something.
Let me get this chair.
Can I open it? Can I open it?
Yes.
I see something.
You see
I
something.
like it. It's
So this.
It's the Rizmo.
It's Rizmo.
This looks adorable.
It's a little blob man.
And this is from Tommy.
It's Tommy.
Thank you, Tommy, for the free product. So
Kids over
it looks like a little fluffy ball that you evolve into a musical friend.
Get birthed, son.
Pick up Rizmo.
He's being birthed, y'all. Oh, he's being birthed, my
You
friend.
have to welcome Rizmo. Pet
Can I
him.
hold him?
Pet him.
Oh
pet
wait,
him.
you have to let him sniff you. He looks like snot.
Here, put him right here.
He's supposed to be red, and then he'll turn green when he's happy. So yeah, I'm just trying to figure out how to please him, make him green.
Oh. Micah, pet it. Right here.
This really appeals to me. Just this version, whenever he evolves, I just want to keep him like this. This is
Can I
great.
hold him? Can I hold
Yeah,
him?
do it.
Keep petting him.
Gotta
That's
pet
it.
him. Give him nice one.
Yellow, blue, orange, purple, green.
Whenever Rizmo starts evolving, you have to yell words of encouragement at him, and then he'll evolve.
Okay, this one is donation. Let's get right on into it. And I gotta be real careful so we can donate the wrapping paper too, which I'm not doing anymore because I ripped it. Okay, we got a Polly Pockets hidden hideout. This is from Mattel. Thank you, Mattel.
For the free product.
Yes, the children will adore it, Mattel.
I see something. Mommy, open it.
Oh, I see something.
All right, this is a smart Smart
Pixelator.
smart pixelator.
So it looks like it looks like you can put in an image of something on an app, and then it'll tell you how you build it with these little plastic
And
beads.
you can pixelate your own images. So
That's
I want to do it. It's from Flycatcher. Thank you, Flycatcher, for the free product.
Flycatcher toys, Emma.
Can I open it? Can I open it?
These are a bunch of colored pegs for our pixelating needs.
Yeah.
Same with that, I would assume.
And then we have another one. Hey, wow. My arm was there a second ago.
Can I open it? Can I open it?
Okay.
See something.
We got.
2,000 smart pixel beads.
Now that's just epic.
These are ones to make bracelets.
Do that. It comes with these little bracelet thingies. Well, like things that you can use to make them. So we can put whatever design we want, such as stripe, diamond, hearts, face, watermelon. Guys.
Is a vine?
Is that fine? Is that fine? Is that...
Check this out. Micah, you're sitting on the cord. This is great. It's supposed to take 2 hours.
We all do it.
Actually, no.
I don't trust Micah.
You can do it! What are you doing? What are you doing?
Shake, shake, shake.
Shake your baby! Shake your baby! You can do it, Rizmo!
That one guy just
You
didn't
can
love
do it,
using
Rizmo!
it.
You can do it, Rizmo!
You can do it, Rizmo.
He's popping open!
I don't know if he is.
Kisses.
Okay, I have finished my creation. So this is my creation. We gotta iron him sometime. Rizmo hasn't evolved yet, but Micah has him over there. Rizmo will take a while to evolve. He's not ready yet. So thank you for watching. Please comment, share, subscribe, thumbs up, follow us on Twitter, and bye YouTube.
Bye YouTubies.
Bye, you BTB.